Hi, I'm Massey from HSP Vehicle Accessories, and I'm here today to show you guys the HSP Load Slide for the SsangYong Musso. So let's take a look. Now there's a lot of different load slides out there, but the HSP one has a lot of unique points. One of which is that it's completely custom cut to suit the tub. We maximize the width in all the areas that we can and the length so that you're not having wasted space around. The second thing is we've got individual latching points every 20 centimeters, and I'll show you how that works. So by pushing it in, simply letting go of the quick release handle, it will latch itself into place every 20 centimeters. Now that's really good if you've got a heavy load going on the way in or out. You can simply let go and ensure that that is going to latch into place without causing any damage or strain to you. Because that's obviously one of the main reasons we've made it, to lower the strain of you getting things in and out of your tub. Another really cool point that it has is these side rails. These side rails are a really strong design. They made it HA35 steel, which means you can actually use them as anchoring points to tie things into. Another cool feature is that it extends 75% beyond the vehicle tub. And at that 75% point, you can load up to 250 kilos of evenly dispersed weight. Now, a lot of people ask us, what is the unit made of? So the base material is a very heavy duty steel for obvious reasons. It does take quite a lot of weight. And then the top platform is actually a hexa, which is a Russian birch with a hexa plastic coating. And that plastic coating also has this nice hexagonal print, which is anti-slip and anti-scratch as well. So that's the load slide to suit the SsangYong Musso, available now. For more information, please visit www.hsputilids.com. You can follow us on any of our social media at HSP4x4 or get in touch with any of our distributors in Australia and globally.